Another speedrun video with me, Mr. Denton. I'm trying to do it super speedy. I've got a 10-minute timer going. Just started it. I think I was on the if-else statements. In chess, a bishop moves diagonally. Okay, so from any position, the difference can be -1, -1, -1. Okay, so basically you're looking at the difference between the row number and column numbers, and if the differences are 1, so so I should have copied and pasted it. So row A, row B, row C, row A, row B. So this is all about coordinates, basically. So you need to see the difference between the first and second sets of coordinates. So this is the row and the column of the first position, and this is the row and column of the second position. Basically, if it's a valid move, we need to put in yes, else we need to print no. So what would be a valid move? A valid move would be if row A minus row B, row A minus row B, row A minus row B is equal to 1. Yeah? Or -1. Yeah? So the row minus row B is equal to 1 or -1. Yeah? So the difference between the row numbers is only going to be 1. And this is where I need to be careful about my brackets. It's this whole condition here, this kind of joint condition that I need. And I think then it's the column, right? I believe. So it's kind of complicated. So row A, row B, column A, column B. Column A minus column B is either equal to 1 or column A minus column B. Okay, so that's a big condition. Hopefully, there we go. So if that is the case, then again you need to be careful of the format. Otherwise, if it's not like that, then we need to print no. Is that the right yes or no? I think no should be capitalized. Do that. Boom. Oh, no. No. Okay. Okay, so I made a complete mistake. Do you know what? I made a complete mistake. It's the difference between column A and column B has to be equal to the difference between the rows has to be equal to the difference between the columns. That's what it has to. It's much, much simpler than that. So the row difference, if the row difference equals the column difference, sorry. Yeah. Much, much more simple because it's only on diagonals. I didn't see that. So if the row difference equals the column difference, then that's, oh no. Okay. I'm going to use something called absolute. Okay. Absolute is a function that gives us, it will take a negative number and it will turn it into a positive number. How about that? Yes. Okay, so basically what that means is, oh wow, it's still going. Wow, awesome. Oh, did I submit it? I did. Yeah, so ABS is a function which gives you, if you put -5 into it, it will turn it to 5. Yeah, so basically if the difference between the row is -5 and the difference between the column is 5, then it's still a valid move. Okay, so that kind of works. Oof. Okay, that was messed up, that one. Oh no, I've only got 4 minutes left. I've only done one. That's not a speed run. Darn it. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do something. I'm going to copy those, because all of these questions are all about changing coordinates. So let's have a look. Queen's move. Okay, so queen can move diagonally or in straight lines. Okay, so I can do a diagonal. So we've got that, or we can move in straight lines. So either the row is the same, or so row A is equal to row B, or either those are the same, or the rows are the same, or the columns are the same. I think that's right. So if the column's the same and the row changes, then it's moving horizontally. If the row's the same but the column changes, then it's moving vertically. Or if the difference between the columns and the rows is the same absolute value, then it's moving diagonally. Oh, fingers crossed. Oh, immediate incorrectness. Okay, incorrect syntax on line 8. On line 8. Okay, what's the problem? It's probably something to do with brackets. Ah, yeah, there's no semicolon. What a goof. Okay, that just looks like a glitch actually. So I'm going to copy all of that, refresh it. Hopefully that will help me out. Okay. Awesome. Okay, let's see if I can do at least 3 in 10 minutes. How's my time going? Oh, only got 2 minutes left. Let's have a look. Oh, the night mode, the night mode. Oh, okay. Now I think so. Okay. So either the difference between the rows is equal to 2, or the absolute difference between the columns is equal to 2. No. So, and the absolute value is equal to, so there needs to be 1, 1 and 1, 2, and it's either the rows are 1 or the columns are 1, and then the opposite is 2. So I think I can do that. Or switch those around. So the absolute difference between the rows is 1, and the absolute difference between the columns is 2. Let's see. So let's see. Yeah, that seems right. Oof. Oof. Because the knight can move 2 steps either horizontally or vertically, and then 1 step to the side. Okay. Oh, and there's my timer. I'm going to turn that off because it's horrible. And there we go. That was my speedrun video. 10 minutes, only 3 tasks, because I made a couple of mistakes, but I hope that was informative.